Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Amanda Turner and I'm a licensed real estate agent in Lake Chapala, Mexico. And today we are checking out a $2 million property and I am obsessed. This property is so beautiful. I took this video during the rainy season when my girl Rosemary had this listing, and the listing is currently with another agent at the moment. But it is a beautiful property. Like when I think of like Mexican hacienda, like just stunning property, this is it. Like this is what I think about. You know, it has all the amenities, it's beautiful, it's fun. Like this is a party house, definitely. So but before we get started, I just need to plug my businesses real quick. We have a bed and breakfast and a cafe in Ajijic Centro. The cafe is open every day, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. We have delicious French bakery pastries, so good. And we have excellent Wi-Fi. All of our seating areas are air conditioned because it is summer and it's getting hot. So if you need to take a load off and get in the cool air, you can come do that. And all of our rooms come with AC, streaming TVs. We pay for Netflix and Amazon Prime, so you don't have to plug in your own information. Safes, all new mattresses. What else we got? Ensuite bathrooms, comes with breakfast, nice, hot, delicious breakfast. And we are located right in the center of town. So you can walk to everything from our bed and breakfast and kind of explore and everything like that. And we have incentives for anyone looking to buy or sell in this area with the bed and breakfast. So you can get to these businesses from my website, therealamandaturner.com, and you'll find a link to the bed and breakfast, the cafe, and also to the MLS. So if you're looking to browse homes in this area, you can get to the MLS through there. And there's a contact form on my webpage as well if you are looking to go on tour when you arrive, or if you just want to set up a conversation for when you are looking to buy in this area, you can contact me through there. You can also contact me through there if you are looking to sell in Lake Chapala as well. So let's go check out this beautiful property. I love it so much. All right, guys, this house is listed for, well, pretty much $2 million. It's a 7-bedroom, 7-bathroom plus 3 half baths on 2 levels. Construction size is 1,201 square meters or 12,927 square feet. The lot size is 2,064 square meters or 22,217 square feet. The HOA is about 38,000 pesos annually, so about $2,000 per year. It comes furnished, super nice, and it's located in the Racket Club in San Juan, Cosala.
Okay, so this beautiful, beautiful property is located right here. This is your boundary line here. Okay, this is the main house that we checked out in the beginning. Here's your pool, and then your pavilion is here with solar, and your little casitas are here for guests, or this is definitely a party house. Faux show. So we zoom out, you're going to see that we are in the Racket Club. Very popular destination for pretty much everybody. Expats, Guadalajarans, Mexicans, everybody. The Racket Club is very nice. Every house has a beautiful lake view. And as I've said in previous videos, the water that gets pumped into these homes is geothermal water, which has amazing healing properties. It's very well known for that. So some of these houses, not all of them, there's a select few that have cooling systems, because when the water comes in, it comes in piping hot. So I know some people who have put in cooling systems into this so that they don't have to then do that. There is a house that I sold in the Racket Club, actually. They did a bypass for the hot tub. So if you wanted to do geothermal water just straight basically from the mountain into your hot tub, there was a bypass so that you could just put it in there without cooling it. And you can flip that on and off. So there are options. What's cool in the Racket Club, La Vida Bella Spa and Restaurant. Very delicious, and they have an amazing view of the lake. It's a beautiful restaurant, beautiful hotel. So if you had guests and you didn't want to stick them in that house, which I don't see why you wouldn't unless you just really don't like them that much as you're telling them you're liking them, you know what I'm saying? You could stick them in here in these hotels. Matecosala is a geothermal water spa, and it is beautiful. Oh my God, it's such a beautiful place. You could stick your guests in there too if you wanted to, and they could just enjoy like the thermal water spas. So that's kind of nice. Another thing about the Racket Club is they have a community center, which you're only about 1 block from. And this has a pool. It has a dog park, some racket club or racquetball and tennis courts through here. A center where you can like have community events and things like that. There's all kinds of tables, full kitchen, industrial kitchen in there. Very nice community center that the Racket Club has. Most of this you probably wouldn't even need because this property is big enough for, you could have 10 dogs if you want. You could have 20 if you wanted to. This property's huge. So anyway, all right. So to tell you where we are on the map. So all of this is considered San Juan Cosala. San Juan Cosala is a small town, but it's a cute town. They have a nice plaza, a very nice malecon. I went there the other day, actually, a couple days ago, and there's a nice restaurant on the Malecon where you could sit on the lake. Super cute. Anywho, okay, so most of your stuff is going to happen here in San Juan Cosala, like your shopping and dining and things like that. There's a lot of cute stuff that's opening up right along the highway here, restaurants and whatnot. So just to give you an idea of where we are in comparison, we have Chapala over here. This is Riberas. San Antonio, Ajijic, La Reserva. That's where Pancho's is if you want to do some major grocery shopping right there, or you can probably get most of it here in San Juan Cosala. And then you come down to Xantepec and Jocotepec. And then you can go around the lake to like Mazamitla and Tuscueca and all those towns around there. So this is the highway that kind of flows along lakeside, and there's a bike path through the whole thing. I would say like this whole area here is the most scenic bike ride. So that's kind of nice. You just get past San Juan Cosala and it's beautiful through here. And then to go up here would take you up to the airport or down into Chapala, but you would probably just go straight this way to get into Chapala. To get from this house to Pancho's would be a 10-minute drive. To get from this house to the Malecon in San Juan Cosala is a 6-minute drive. To get from this house to Ajijic Centro is a 19-minute drive, and this is a Sunday at 2 p.m. To get to Guadalajara International Airport is a 51-minute drive. And to get from this house to the Costco on this side of Guadalajara, let me zoom out so you can kind of see the seriousness of the city. It's so huge. There's a Costco right over here. There's also a Home Depot in this area and a big mall, Gallerias Mall, which I love to go to. I really like that mall. If I need to do some clothes shopping, because I do it like once or maybe twice a year. I just go buy a bunch of stuff and I'll go to that mall because it's nice and there's lots of options and good prices. So that is a 1 hour and 16-minute drive, 1 hour and 1 minute if you go this direction, or you can go this direction. But I recommend going this direction. This is a scenic drive through here. It's kind of nice.
All right, everybody, that's it for me. If you want to see more homes in this price range, you can click right here. And if you want to subscribe, you can click right here. And I'll see you for the next video. Bye.